Every year, millions of homeowners pay too much in property taxes, and most don't even know it. Studies show that up to 60% of homes are valued too high, and most appeals end up lowering the tax bill. If you don't appeal, you're probably paying more than you should, and TaxDrop helps you get that money back. Here's how it works. Each year, your local tax office estimates what your home is worth to decide how much tax you owe. But sometimes that number's wrong. They may have used old sales data, missed needed repairs, or compared your home to nicer ones nearby. When that happens, you have the right to appeal. If the county agrees your value is too high, they lower it, and your property taxes go down. Across the country, people who appeal often save up to several thousands of dollars every year, with average reductions of 10 to 15%. With TaxDrop, it takes you up to 3 minutes to start. Enter a few details such as your address, check your property details, and our licensed experts take it from there, filing your appeal, presenting evidence, and handling everything with the county. There's no upfront cost. If we win, you only pay 25% of the savings. TaxDrop services are effortless. We manage everything so you don't have to worry about paperwork, deadlines, or negotiations. Accurate. Expert review ensures reliable identification of overassessments. Fair and transparent. You only pay what you truly owe. You can track progress every step of the way. Because property values reset every year, it's smart to appeal annually to keep your taxes fair. And if you're a real estate investor with no exemptions, appealing multiple properties can lead to even bigger savings. Start your 3-minute sign up and see how much you could save with TaxDrop.